In the world of project management, where tasks, documents, and creative assets flow constantly, the question of storage is always a critical one. Teams often deal with large files, from design mock-ups and video edits to extensive documentation and client deliverables. Running out of space in your project management software can be a real headache, disrupting workflows and forcing difficult decisions about what to keep or delete. This naturally leads many to ask about ClickUp, a highly popular and feature-rich platform. Does ClickUp have unlimited storage? As a project management expert, I can tell you that the answer to this question depends on which ClickUp plan you're using. While the term unlimited storage is a powerful draw, it's essential to understand the specifics of ClickUp's offerings to align with your team's needs. The free forever plan, a starting point with limits. ClickUp offers a generous free forever plan, which is an excellent starting point for individuals, very small teams, or those just looking to explore the platform's capabilities. For a free tool, it provides a remarkable array of features, including unlimited tasks and unlimited members. However, when it comes to storage, the free forever plan does have a limit, 100 megabytes of storage. For a solo user managing simple to-do lists or a tiny team with minimal file attachments, 100 megabytes might suffice. You can attach documents, images, and other small files to your tasks and comments. However, as soon as your projects involve larger files, more frequent attachments, or a growing volume of historical data, this 100 megabytes limit can be reached surprisingly quickly. Imagine a marketing team sharing high-resolution images for social media campaigns, or a development team attaching code snippets and design specifications. 100 megabytes will barely scratch the surface. When you hit this limit on the free forever plan, ClickUp will notify you, and you'll be prompted to either delete existing attachments to free up space or upgrade to a paid plan. This is a common strategy for freemium software models. Offer a taste of the functionality, but scale features like storage with paid tiers. Paid plans, where unlimited storage resides. For serious project management, where collaboration is key and file sharing is frequent, ClickUp's paid plans are where you unlock the full potential of the platform, including its storage capabilities. Starting with the unlimited plan, ClickUp offers unlimited storage. This is a significant jump from the free forever plan and is designed for small to medium-sized teams who need ample space for their project assets without worrying about hitting a ceiling. This means you can upload as many files, documents, images, and other attachments as your projects require, without constantly monitoring your storage consumption. The business plan and enterprise plan also come with unlimited storage, building upon the unlimited plan's foundation with even more advanced features, security protocols, and customization options. For mid-sized to large organizations, these plans ensure that data storage never becomes a bottleneck for their complex projects and extensive documentation. Why unlimited storage matters for project management. From a project management perspective, unlimited storage is not just a perk. It's a critical component for efficient operations. Centralized Information Hub. A project management tool should be the single source of truth for all project-related information. Unlimited storage allows you to attach all relevant files directly to tasks, documents, or comments. This means team members don't have to hunt for files across different cloud storage providers, email threads, or local drives. Everything is accessible right where the work is happening. Seamless collaboration. When designers, developers, marketers, or any team members need to share large files for review and feedback, unlimited storage facilitates this seamlessly. You can upload design drafts, video cuts, or large datasets directly to tasks, enabling quick iteration and reducing friction in collaborative workflows. Complete project history. Projects generate a lot of data. From initial proposals and contracts to countless revisions and final deliverables, having unlimited storage means you can maintain a complete historical record within ClickUp. This is invaluable for auditing, learning from past projects, and onboarding new team members who need to understand the project's evolution. Reduce dependency on external tools. While ClickUp integrates with popular cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive, having native unlimited storage reduces the immediate need to rely on external platforms for every single attachment. This can simplify workflows, especially for teams who prefer to keep everything within their primary project management environment. Scalability. As your team grows and takes on more projects, the volume of data will inevitably increase. Unlimited storage ensures that your project management tool can scale with your needs without forcing you into uncomfortable data management decisions or costly upgrades solely for storage capacity. Key considerations for your team. While unlimited storage is a fantastic feature, it's important to consider it within the broader context of your team's needs and budget. File size limits. Per file, while the total storage might be unlimited on paid plans, it's worth checking if there are any per file size limits. For most typical project files, this isn't an issue, but if you're dealing with extremely large video files or complex CAD drawings, it's a detail worth confirming, though typically, ClickUp's limits are generous for individual files on paid plans. Integrations versus native storage. Remember that even with unlimited native storage, ClickUp's integrations with external cloud storage providers, Google Drive, Dropbox, etc., can still be valuable. For files that also need to live outside of ClickUp for other purposes, linking rather than duplicating can be a good strategy. Security and backups. Regardless of storage limits, always consider the security measures and backup policies of any cloud-based software. ClickUp, like other reputable platforms, invests heavily in data security and reliability. In essence, if your team is serious about leveraging a comprehensive project management solution like ClickUp, and you anticipate a significant volume of files and attachments, investing in one of their paid plans that offer unlimited storage is a wise and strategic decision. It removes a major constraint, empowers seamless collaboration, and ensures that your project data remains centralized and accessible, contributing significantly to your overall project success. The free forever plan is a great taste, but the paid tiers truly unlock the full, expansive capabilities of ClickUp storage.